What's going on nation people? Cause this thing I come like say a gimmicks thing. Right now, I come out and I say I can't vybz cartel massacre this. And some local man I go and tell me this and I tell me that. It's like the people them forgot where go on or them not pay attention to the dance hall. Then, because it's a medley me I go run off today, you know. But it's where I say a 3-piece chicken and chips. Because me hear a thing come out where them a show you say the police them caught up with dog paw. No joke shit not there in a head. And me a hear the police them a say right now them get information say man in a vehicle with illegal firearm and them circle up vehicle and dog paw was the man who exited the vehicle and squeeze necessary equipment off of them and them return back fire and that are the ultimate. Him get lit down. So I guess the rest of the man them in the vehicle escape. Them say them find a 4/5. There's where I say them say them find 1/4. But the police say a vehicle with mans. That means probably four or 5 man in the vehicle or 3 man. Me don't know, but I never 1 man. There's where I say, but one man get lit down and only 1/4 them fine. So that are the police statement. Me don't know. Me never did it. No gimmicks business not dead about it. Then now you see the big news that come out of Holland and make people know say, well then this promoter when named Papa here say he make sure the 3 show and no payment and the man even get exit out of even the hotel where he put him for stay. And here say I tell crew about all the mother and all them shit there and is what I say? Etc. etc. You don't know the rest will happen. So in my eyes, there ain't no way Papa can go to the police. You see what I say? Because him claim him a rude boy from Painland and him a deal with rude boy thing. And if I saw him also artist and make him money and him lock up the cure, him not have no more in name in terms of putting artists together for go up and show. Now gimmicks business not dead about it. Right now, you know, to the kingship, you know, vybz cartel did come out, you know, and say sorry niggas. All who did a line up themselves, you know, for him hand over the crown to, you know. Him say a popcaan, I go get it. You see what I say? No joke shit not dead there. That was him own words. Him say a popcaan, I go get it. You see me? The king, the crown is going to popcaan. That was him exact words. But hear me now. The world, it's not a plan. Hey, that's what we're going on, you know? Carefully. Hey, yo, a franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. You don't know it go already, you know? When me come for represent, full effecting man. You don't know it go? When me load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me now, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely, watch me. Are the most electrified man on YouTube entertainment business. Watch. Yeah, Gaza Nation. It can't get no better than that. You see what I say? The world boss did say a popcorn, the crown belongs to anytime him ready for give it up. You see what I say? That a way before look at vibes and look at Addy evil thing them are gonna come in and use it. So I know the world boss is a man where when the man they deal with things, the man they deal with things precisely. So the man they not go talk about it if it not real. You see what I say? But right now, for the man them who run out and I tell me about massacre this and massacre that on one side and all kind of thing on the one talk. But let me tell you something, bro. Yo, massacre is a youth when nation people rate. Because nation people put massacre which part in there. Don't get it twisted. You see what I say? I don't know if him and I don't wanna a fight over the one thing. Cause I don't wanna say one thing and him a say the same thing. You see what I say? You know what I mean? All of them a fight for one side. You see what I say? And Jenna and all kind of shit. Right now, you know, a killer, you know, did come out, you know, and say one vice, you know, one general, you know. You see what I say? And all of them shit there. You see what I say? Yeah, but in a massacre argument where him there I talk about, it look like him a throw word pan Skillibeng too, because Skillibeng say east side and him a say one side. You see what I say? So right about now, you know, I do one of them say Fort Jenna and him say genocide. You see what I say? But just a show you where the twist come from, but the whole twist a bounty killer argument, the both of them twist up. You see what I say? Yeah, real way. Real way I represent. A bounty killer argument them twist up. But I want you to remember this nation, people. Remember when the world boss come out and say the dog them have to live, you know. You see me? Right after, you know, massacre, you know, in some look affliction, you know, where him couldn't even get for perform on Sunfest. Killer for make him perform on him time. There's where I say an argument a go on in the street. Say well then right now it thing come like it want get physical between him and I donor. Remember right after that, you know, which part we see massacre? No up at the world boss yard with the world boss youth them. Because the youth birthday, a massacre up there, I show respect and say a Gaza himself. So me don't know. Right after that, the six them arrive and Kartel go start drop some song with the six them. Hear people and say, well then, him they say Gaza genocide. I know them I say Gaza 6. A long time vybz Kartel a boss artists way before even massacre even think of bursting, my brother. So the same thing where him do for massacre and I see him do it for TG and how much more artists, how much more girl artists. So what kind of excuse that una try to bring to me? Eh? What kind of excuse that una go try to bring to me? No. I him go start talk about kingship thing, make quarter the boots him up. You see what I say? And start talk about kingship. So vybz Kartel make people know say yo, let me tell you something. Gaza stand alone. You see what I say? And that and a joke shit. And a lollipop thing that. And a gimmicks thing that. You see what I say? And everybody know that. So I don't even know. I don't even think like what uno talk about or what uno look for. You see what I say? Yeah. And a joke shit. A long time Gaza run shit all before all of them side the one who want to talk about. Eh? So if man a go come up and a hype up and a talk about one side and a talk about the next king and all kind of shit and not show no respect, where you think the world boss are going to say? The world boss I go make you know that him make Gaza and no uno. You see what I deal with? So Gaza always have to stand alone, no joke shit not dead about it. But right about now, you know, to all the things still, you know, right about now, not around the corner, no man no fear go around the corner and attack in a parables for people put things together and them shit there. You know. If Massacre tough like how him say him tough, you know, because me have him tough, hardcore, no gimmicks business not there about it. But if him tough like how him a say him tough, him not supposed to hide and not go around the corner. Him supposed to come straight and this alkaline one, this one claim lyrically from the position where him there. You see what I say? I'm say it already, I'm going to say it again. If him not pre that or him not do that in a dance hall, all of these talking things we're not talk about are just YouTube talk for promotion. Because everybody know, the world know, say no man can't come pick up no kingship on himself. A dance hall itself have to give that. No gimmicks thing not dead about it. And the general, you know, the 10-star one. And you know when we represent, you know, a Gaza way, there ain't no other way. 10-star, general. What? What?